Okay, so welcome to lesson 17, problem set. We are going to start our odd and even numbers unit, or section of this unit. So you will see these little clouds, kind of looks like, within these circles, and then you'll see blank circles next to them. Now, if you read the directions, it says, draw to double the group you see. Complete the sentence and write an addition equation, okay? So, and yes, they are clouds, sorry. Knew that. So you're going to draw double the clouds you see. So if in A there's one cloud, I'm going to draw another little cloud in here. Okay, so now we have, there is one cloud in each group. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now, if you've seen this so far and you think, oh my gosh, Miss Lee, this is the easiest thing ever, please don't make me sit through this. You are welcome to pause the video, complete this on your own, and then you can, I guess, watch the rest of it, or if you really feel like you have it and it's just silly for you to watch this, you are welcome to skip to the next page, because I know this is so easy, right? Two clouds equals 4. Here we have 3 clouds, so we're going to draw 3 clouds. I'm just going to go through it really quick. Okay, 3 clouds plus 3 clouds. There are 3 clouds in each group. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Here we have 4 clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 clouds in each group. 4 plus 4 equals, you said 8, you are correct. Here we have 5 clouds. 4, 5 clouds. There are 5 clouds in each group. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I know, easiest stuff ever. You're like, Miss Lee, we're almost in 3rd grade. Here we are doing things that feel like we're in 1st grade. What is going on? We'll get there. All right, now here we go. Back to 2nd grade. Draw an array for each set. Complete the sentences. The first one has been drawn for you, but still pretty easy, right? This is still stuff that we were looking at before. 2 rows of 6, okay? So if we have 6 in the top row, 6 in the bottom row, 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay, 2 rows of 6 equals 12. 6 doubled is 12. Okay, now they're asking us to draw 2 rows of 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know it's weird doing this after we've drawn so many 10 frames, but if they say 2 rows of 7, we'll do 2 rows of 7. So 2 rows of 7, we have 7 plus 7 equals, if you said 14, you are correct. 7 doubled is 14. I want you to pause this. I want you to repeat this process with, for C, the 2 rows of 8, and also D, 2 rows of 9, and then come back and start this video when you are finished. Okay, welcome back. So let's see if we match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay, so we have 8 plus 8 equals 16. 2 rows of 8 equals 16. 8 doubled is 16. Okay, 2 rows of 9. 9. Okay, we have 9 plus 9 equals, if you said 18, you are correct. 2 rows of 9 equals 18. 9 doubled is 18. Okay, here we go. 2 rows of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you're drawing this over here because they give you a really tiny space to do it here, that's fine. Okay, 2 rows of 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. I know you know that one. So 2 rows of 10 is 20. 10 doubled is 20. It says list the totals from problem 1. We had 2. Okay, so let's look at our problems. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, here we go. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. List the totals from problem 2. Here we had 12, 14, 16, 18, and lastly, 20. Are the numbers you have listed even or not even? Oh my goodness. All right, my friends, I apologize. My low battery sign came up on my phone and I did not see it. So I'm not sure where the video paused recording to give me that notification, unfortunately. So they asked us to list our totals from problem 1, which if we go back to the first page, you can see are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And then for problems 2, they were 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay, so we listed those totals here. And then they asked the question, are the numbers you have listed even or not even? Now, quick reminder, even numbers are numbers that can be split into 2 evenly. Okay, so if I have 4 cookies and I would like to give you the same amount that I get, I would split those 4 cookies in half. And I would have 2 cookies and you could have 2 cookies. Okay? Or if I had, you know, let's see, if I had 12 Skittles and I wanted to give you half and I wanted it to be equal and fair, I would keep 6 Skittles and I would give you 6 Skittles. If I had 13 Skittles, one of us would get more Skittles than the other person. Okay? Now this only involves groups of 2, okay? There are some numbers that can be split up into groups of 3 evenly, but those are not even numbers. Even numbers are only talking about groups of 2, okay? So me and you, can we split that number evenly between me and you? If so, it's an even number. If not, it's not. So pretty easy trick here is if a number ends in 2, 4, 6, or 8, or 0, so 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, it's an even number. Okay? So any number that ends with a 0, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1,000, 1 million, any number that ends in a 0 is an even number. Any number that ends in a 2 is an even number. Any number that ends in a 4 is an even number, a 6 or an 8, okay? But if the number ends in 3 or 1 or 5 or 7 or 9, those aren't even numbers. Those are odd numbers, okay? So even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and end in 0, okay? So they ask you to explain how the numbers are the same or different. Hopefully that's kind of what we just went over together here. Your exit ticket is going to be drawing an array for each set, 2 rows of 5, and complete the sentences. Go ahead and leave this as a response on Flipgrid, and also give me some feedback or your interpretation of what you remember from what even numbers are or are not, okay? So I think that this is going to be super easy for you, but I'm interested to hear also more about what you know about even and odd numbers, okay? All right, I'll see you on Flipgrid.